Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will know more about the juices that are best for weight loss. Let us begin. Losing weight doesn't entirely depend on your diet. Your lifestyle majorly contributes to the same. When an individual follows a healthy lifestyle, certain beverages can help him in promoting weight loss. When used alongside healthy lifestyle changes, certain drinks are more effective than others at promoting weight loss. Certain drinks contain nutrient benefits and include an ample amount of fiber, increasing metabolism and encouraging weight loss. Among which first comes the water. Drinking a lot of water is the easiest and the safest way to reduce your waistline. According to research, when you drink water before meals, it cuts down your appetite and loses weight. Next are the high-protein juices. When someone wants to shed their extra weight, high-protein beverages might be of great help as they curb hunger and decreases the appetite. It gives a sense of fullness to the individual and keeps your body's protein intake to its content. Various brands supply protein powders over the counters, which makes it an easy and healthy snack option. These juices also help in reducing GLP-1 hormone while decreasing ghrelin, which controls your hunger too. Next are the other juices. Beverages like coffee, green tea and ginger tea are proved to improve metabolism, promote the sense of fullness, reduce appetite and promote weight loss too. Carrot juice has a high fiber content which keeps you full for an extended period. It also helps in the secretion of bile which burns fat and thus promotes weight loss. You can add other food products to enhance the taste. Thus, I may conclude drinks that boost metabolism, cut down hunger, all of which promotes weight loss. There are beneficial nutrients and antioxidants and potent compounds that have additional health benefits. Substituting beverages like aerated drinks and sugary juices with healthier options might help cut down calories and aid in weight loss. Thank you.